Hi, I'm Jennifer, the project manager with Oscar Renda Contracting. Today we are on Elder Street. As you can see, we met our goal of having the base course of asphalt installed before school starting. Now we're working on the sidewalks. Just down the block, curbing is being installed on the remaining section of Main Street, north of Elder to Bayview. Base course of asphalt will be installed towards the end of the week. We have installed the road base on Parker Street, with curbing being installed by the end of the week and base course of asphalt to follow by next week. Today we began placing road base on the remaining part of Lemieux north of Elder. Asphalt paving has been installed on Walker Street. Once the sidewalk crew is finished with Elder, they'll move to Walker to complete the driveways and sidewalks there. We are starting installation of sewer and storm drainage on Cuevas south of Division. We continue to install the sewer on Forest north of Division. Once that work is complete, we'll begin installing the drainage. On Biloxi, the installation of the storm drain pipe is complete, and we continue to work on the drainage structures. This work is some of the deepest and biggest structures on the project. We are completing the final section of storm drain in that area on Thelma. There are only 7 roads without base course of asphalt and only 3 roads with utilities remaining to be installed. We've installed the final course of asphalt on Nichols, Murray, Ebony, Spanner, Bayshore, and Diaz. Thank you for your continued patience and support.
Hi, my name is Jack Gravick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for Hemphill Construction, and I'm here to give you an update on the Biloxi South contract. I'm standing here on Azalea Drive, which just recently got paved last month, along with Irish Hill Drive, Biloxi Avenue, Oak Grove Place, and the Giuseppe's parking lot. We currently have multiple crews still installing utilities and multiple subcontractor crews working on concrete work and cleanup work. We have a pipe crew on White Avenue installing the storm drain coming from Highway 90 going north to Irish Hill. We have another crew installing the storm drain in an easement off of Brister Place. Once that is complete, they will move to Father Ryan and continue installing the storm drain. We recently made a push to install all the utilities on Father Ryan Avenue from St. Francis West in order to open up the roads for school traffic. We completed all the limestone base, and at some point we will come back and install the rest of the concrete and the base asphalt. We have 2 crews working on Chalmers Drive and Leggett Drive installing the new sewer and water lines in that area. After that is complete, we will move a road crew back into that area to install the limestone base with asphalt to follow. We would like to remind everybody again to please drive safe and slow around our construction zones and keep our employees' safety in mind. And thank you for the cooperation with our work. Thank you.